have winter yet. It's the first real snowfall of the year. It's okay, bud. You can do it. You can do it. You're a strong boy. Go for it. Give yourself a good push. Come on, you can do it. Whee! Huh?
Tasty.
Tasty? Okay.
Who?
Kristen, he asked for what was going on when I tried without it, so.
Oh.
Nice job.
Don't make a mess on the floor.
Yeah, right, eh?
Gosh, don't worry about it.
He's like, eh.
Oh my God.
You don't understand. I am the person that is the least concerned about that stuff.
Whoa. Wow.
What's that?
Star Wars.
Oh!
And what else?
Wow.
What's that say?
Dennis converts the guest book with their children into a case book to offer in the
Yeah. Oh, I didn't hear the name.
Yeah, he's an Angry Bird Star Wars.
Do you want me to open it?
Do it.
This one?
Joy Christmas. Okay. Joy Christmas.
You knocked down?
Put it back.
Well, you can put it back on the tree. How about this one?
This big.
It is.
This is big one.
It's a big one.
Elbow. This one. You want some music?
Oh, you're done, are you? You done helping me?
Gonna watch the Messiah.
Oh, okay. Are you all done?
Oh no.
Here, put the angel on then.
To the stone.
Where?
To the stone.
Oh no, it's got to go down here somewhere. Find a free branch.
No, he's going back here.
Okay.
He goes up here.
Okay.
I got him.
You okay?
Careful, those things are painful.
I can't see. Do you like that music? Do you like Nanny's music?
Did you like that music?
Do you like it?
only a little sleigh. Only a boy named David, but he can play and sing. Only a boy named David. Only a little
This is how he dances. He spins and runs.
I've been songs he wrote. One little stone went in the sling, and the sling went round and round. And one little stone went in the sling, and the sling went round and round. Well, round and round and round and round and round and round and round. And one little bird went up in the air, and the giant came tumbling down.
Do it again.
Yeah.
Go ahead and play Jerry Run music and sing to him.
Get for the pig, get for the pig, Yeah!
Yeah!
Good job!
Good job making up songs.
Door lock. That's LG.
Yeah.
That's LB. Direct drive.
Mhm.
That's turn off computer, turn on computer.
Yeah, but you don't want to touch it because Nanny's doing a wash. Okay.
Play it.
It's on the paper, I thought plastic.
What's that?
Plastic on that.
Turn it around. It's a picture frame. Yeah. Yeah, throw it in Grampy's path. That's good. So you put some on one side, some on the other. Oh, here, yeah. Here you go, Grampy.
Daddy.
Oh, and Daddy can have the Chuggington stickers.
Just what I needed.
And Daddy can have Pac-Man. No. Come on, keep digging, babe. You're so cute.
Dig it.
Photo frame. Okay.
What else you have?
Angry Bird.
Wonder Berry.
It's Rick Balls.
Wreck the holes. They're candies. They're gummies yet. They're not real, like fruit, but I thought treat.
Cherry. Lemonade. Raspberry. Apple. Grape. Strawberry.
Wow. Maybe you can put your bear, your animal.
Oh, is this a monitor for his computer?
There.
Monitor for his, it's a flat screen what? Oh, it's a TV. Oh, it's a TV, Josiah.
That's a TV.
Can you say thank you? It's from Nanny and Grampy.
Say thank you to
It's
Grampy.
got mounts in there too.
What is that?
Okay.
I'm gonna read.
And then what?
You want to collect them all. Ah!
I know you want to collect them all. So.
La, 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 la.
Sing it.
No, I say la la la. La la.
On the 5th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me.
La 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 la. No, I say la.
No, thank you.
La.
5
Five.
golden eggs.
No, golden rings.
4 stalling birds.
No, no.
What is it?
4 cooling birds.
3 bench hens.
3 bitch? Yes.
I think it's French hens.
French. Yes. No.
2 snail doves.
No.
What is it?
No. 2 turtle doves.
And a cartridge in Atari.
No. And it's a pear tree.
What is in the pear tree?
There's no pear tree.
A partridge?
No. Pear tree.
But a partridge is in the pear tree, right?
Partridge.
Yes.
No.
Ostrich? Ostrich in a pear tree?
No. Partridge.
Ostrich in a pear tree.
Partridge.
Postrich? What's a postrich? And a postrich in a pear tree. Maybe it's a pass between a partridge and an ostrich. They bred together.
Listen
on Christmas Day in the morning.